Okay, so today I am fairly excited as I'm now getting to undo this parcel. I've had this sitting in my wardrobe for the past 2 months. I received it in October and it's now mid-December and I'm finally getting to open it. It has been a long couple of months, so without further ado, let's undo it. Okay, so in my parcel is my new phone, which I can finally open up, have a look at, and hopefully have a new phone working. So this is my new iPhone 11 Pro Max, which like I said, I bought in October, but unfortunately it's now December when I'm first getting to opening it up. Simple reason being my other phone I needed to back up. I had about 240 gigs of information on the phone and only had 200 gigs of space on my laptop to back it onto, so I had to take a lot off and try and play around with storage on my laptop, which I've now done. So now I have the space, or last night I had space to back up my old iPhone, so I can undo this and restore it from that. I'd like to restore it fresh. There's a lot of photos and videos and information I want to keep. So let me open this up and have a look at what's inside. So again, the box felt nice and satisfying to take off. And here it is. So my brand new 512 gigabyte iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's supposed to be the green, which doesn't look overly green, fairly close to a grey green I guess, but I think it's the first time I've really seen the green one this close up. And then in the box, you have the usual leaflets, how to set up my SIM release, and the stickers. I've got a new set of earpods, so USB 3 to lightning charging cable, and the power brick. Which I'm quite pleased and surprised I've got one with the power prongs actually fling in to make it more compact. So it probably won't focus, you won't be able to see it, but this is a 5 volt at 3 amp or 9 volt at 2 amp. So that should equate to a 15 or 18 watt charger, I think. Okay. So now the next thing to do is put the screen protector I got on it and then set this up. But before we do that, let's see if we can just get a closer look. Okay, so next thing to do is put the screen protector on and set up the phone. Okay, so the screen protector I chose was called a Tozo. I bought this off of Amazon, had a few good reviews, and it comes with a fairly easy to install system. So this is supposed to have a light transmission rate of 99%, oilophobic coating, so hopefully shouldn't retain fingerprints too much. Tempered glass, obviously, and should prevent screen bursting effectively so well. Within the packaging I get screen protector accessories, 3 packs of them, and then in here we have the screen protectors, 3 of them, and the applicator. The guide will fit over the phone, and then with the actual protectors, and it's something like that. So next thing to do is, as I do with all my screen protectors, turn the shower on for 5 minutes, take it to the bathroom, and then put it on in there. Okay, so I've had the shower running and it's now nice and humid in here, which hopefully should mean all the dust particles are now out of the air and I should have a fairly clean environment to put the screen protector on. Okay, so now let's peel off the initial screen protector. So although there shouldn't be any dust on it now, I'm still going to clean over the screen with the alcohol wipe So if there is any oils or any contaminants on it, it should hopefully clean it off for the screen protector to adhere to. Right, now just to dry. So now I need to put the guide on, which should just clip over. If I grab 2 of the stickers, I'm just gonna put 1 at the top and then 1 at the bottom. Give me 2 areas to hold onto. And then I will peel. Just want to move it up a little bit. Appears. It looks like that's a fairly good placement, but only time will tell. So now just needs to smooth it into place. Hopefully this will just come off. So to be fair, all in all, that wasn't too bad. It has gone on straight, so no doubt this guide did help. It's a lot quicker than the previous ones I've done. Hopefully you can see that it's gone on fairly straight. Right, it's time to set up my phone. Okay, so I'm now going to turn on the iPhone 11 Pro Max for the first time. As you can see, even though I've had the phone about 2 months and it's obviously been boxed up for however long it's been boxed up, it's about 3/4, well just over 3/4 full on battery, so that's pretty good going, I guess. But obviously it's been in a dormant state, so there should be no charge using whatsoever, and I imagine the batteries probably have some sort of hibernation mode as well. So, set up new iPhone. So continue. Okay, so now that seems to have finally activated my phone. Next thing to do is just finish setting it up. I will quickly do the Face ID now. Okay, so that scanned my face twice. Fairly simple, but somehow I managed to make it a bit more complicated than it should be. But I did eventually get it done. Okay, so it now looks like my phone has been set up. Next thing to do is do a restore from my previous backup. So restore from iCloud, definitely can't do that because I do not have any iCloud storage and enough to cover my phone. Restore from Mac or PC, which is what I'll be doing. I'll restore it from my PC. Transfer directly from my iPhone. Didn't realise I could do this. If I'd known that, might have potentially considered it, but probably won't because I've got 200 gigabytes of information or 200 gigabytes of photos and videos to transfer over. And I imagine that may take some time. It won't be a quick process. Next thing to do now is go back to my computer again, as first time around it wouldn't do it because it just come up in iTunes with phone not activated, please activate, something like that. So I will simply now restore my phone from the backup I made last night on my PC. So off to my PC. Okay, so if you made it all the way through, thanks for watching. It's much appreciated. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Obviously, I'm trying to reach the magic 1,000 on subscribers. So any subscribers will be much appreciated and returned. So if you like it, please leave a comment, let me know. Or also leave a comment if you think there's any ways I can improve. But thanks for watching.